Good morning, I am Sagar.
I am Umar. I am Ruth.
Today we are here to present our idea of a project based on the pothole detector, which will help the riders to save from the problems of pothole during the rainy season and will protect the life of the bike rider. Now we will see the components of this project.
The main components are DC motor, battery, Arduino Uno, relay module, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver, LED display, and battery.
Now we will see the mechanism of the project.
The mechanism of this project is the ultrasonic sensor used in this project will detect the coming potholes and will pass the signal to the Arduino, and the process information will pass to ESP, motor, driver, and Bluetooth module. The information or the message will be shared to the Bluetooth module, and then it will be sent to the Arduino Bluetooth application. This message or feedback will be shared to the public so that they can also protect themselves from the potholes. This system will be installed under the headlight so that the maximum area can be covered.
This project is based on the AI domains like computer vision and machine learning, which will cause effective application of this project and will save the bike riders from the accidents faced by the potholes. Thank you. Smartphone-based pothole reporter. This project leverages the powerful sensor already present in the rider's smartphone, making accessible and low cost. Core technology and approach: sensor, internal phone accelerators, gyroscope, data collection, a background mobile application, continuously reading the phone's acceleration data, especially the z-axis for vertical movement. Detection algorithm: use a threshold-based or machine learning algorithm to classify vibration signatures as potholes and subsequent rebound patterns of bike hitting a pothole near a careful turning. Location and reporting: the smart part, use the phone's GPS to log the location of the confirmed pothole. Depth severity estimation: correlate the magnitude of the accelerometer's z-axis spike with a calibrated pothole. Depth core impact energy. Concept: higher acceleration spikes correlate to deeper or sharper potholes. Use this score to color code the potholes on the map. Predictive maintenance: analyze the repeated hits over time to show which potholes are getting worse or which roads are returning fastest.
Core technology and approach. Main processor Arduino Nano ESP32 for Wi-Fi Bluetooth capability. Detection sensor, high precision accelerometer and gyroscope. Example: MPU 6050 mounted rigidly to the frame near the wheel. Rider feedback, an output mechanism for immediate warning. Haptic feedback, a vibration motor pager motor attached to the handlebars or seat. Visual alert, a small bright LED which is red or a tiny OLED screen on the dashboard.
भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान। भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।